welcome to Charlie's How-To for Homeowners. My name is Ryan. I'm with John Stevenson Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Today we're going to talk about aerators, which are the little screens right here in the faucet. Okay, so we're going to show you how to clean them, and basically what they do is they mix the air with the water to give you a nice smooth stream, and you don't get too much water coming through, so we can control the flow. All right, we're going to go over how we take out an aerator. So this is the most common that we will see, which is going to unscrew. They typically get clogged because we have poor water quality. You'll see some debris here. You get that when you don't have filtrations on your house and you get some debris coming in there. We can use a pick to clear everything out. We've got the little O-ring inside that can be plucked out if you need more pressure. California does install one of those to limit the flow. You've got your little flow ratings here written. This one's telling us that we are at 1.2 gallons per minute. Okay. Now over here, this is a kitchen faucet. This kitchen faucet, typically the way that they're going to come apart, they don't always need tools. However, there is a couple little grooves for a nice smooth wrench. This one's going to come apart by hand. You can see this one's nice and clean. If you look up close, there's no debris in there, but you can clean that out. And then once you're done, screw it in by hand here. Don't recommend going too tight. Just nice and snug, and then check for leaks. All right, here we have a few different tools that you will see that you can remove an aerator from a faucet. This is the most common one that we have in here, that you can either use a smooth wrench or go by hand. The other options are going to be these little keys. Typically the manufacturer is going to have this with the faucet when it is purchased. So it's definitely something that you will want to keep on hand. That way you can clean them out in the future. All right guys, thank you for watching Charlie's How-To for Homeowners. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.